Today we are going to see the lesson Computer Startup and Shutdown. In this lesson, the concept that we are going to see today is difference between a logout and shutdown.
Switching off a computer. We know that children, computer is a machine that works on electricity, isn't it? So, after completing our work, the machine has to be switched off. Then only we can save the electricity. Yes, switching off a computer can be done in two ways. One is shutdown and another one is logout. Logout, it is also called as sign out. Shutdown. Shutdown is also called as turn off. What is meant by shutdowning, children? We know that shutdowning is the action of closing all the activities and turning the computers off. So after performing shutdown, our entire activities of our computer is closed. That means we can't do any work. Total power supply has been in the off mode. It is called shutdown. And how to perform this shutdown? Yes, by clicking this shutdown icon, we can perform the shutdown activities in our computers. That is, we can perform turn off also. Logout. What's meant by logout? Logout is the action of closing one's access to the computer. We know that children, in our computer, n number of users can use our computer, isn't it? So, if we want to close our access alone now, we can use logout. Yes, and this logout is performed by clicking this logout icon. Suppose you were an Ubuntu user, you can use this logout screen to perform a logout actions. Suppose you were a Windows 8 user, you can use this screen to perform a logout actions. What can I do when I finish using the computers? You have to log out of the computers by using the logout icon, isn't it, children? Yes, and next, it is just like locking the door of our house when we are going out. So this is the things that we are going to perform after finishing our work by using the computer. Now we are going to see the steps for shutdowning the PC. Click on the Start or the Windows sign button on the screen of the monitor. It looks on the left corner of the screen. Select the power button. It shows three options: restart, shutdown, sleep. Among these three options, select shutdown option. After clicking the shutdown button, now the computer will take a few minutes to turn off automatically. We have to wait a few minutes till the computer turn offs automatically. Switch off the monitor and CPU. Next, switch off the UPS button. At the last, switch off the main power supply. These are all the steps that we are going to follow to shut down our PC. So now we are going to see about suspend or sleep mode. Sleep mode is also called as suspend. Whereas suspend is a word used in Ubuntu and sleep mode it is used in Windows. Sleep mode it's nothing but a power saving state that is similar to passing a DVD movie. This mode saves our opened applications and uses a very little power. Once the computer is powered back on, it will start from where you left off. This is the suspend screen of Ubuntu users and this is the sleep mode of Windows 8 users. By clicking this sleep option, you can make your computer to keep in a sleep mode.
And the final part of the video is the vocabulary, and here a few unscrambled words are given, children. Kindly go through all the words and then answer to the question correctly and try to complete your vocabulary part in your ICT activity notebooks.
Thank you, children.